Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you the sorry guys, this is the Spectrum internet self installation. This is the modem that Spectrum uh, sending you. This is the router that it was mine. I didn't want it there router, but in your case maybe you might want their router. This is the router mine, and I bought this, and then let's go ahead and install it. This is the cable you need, yellow, right. This is for the cable for the router. The another one here, this is the one for the router, modem. So what we're gonna do, as you see right there, this cable that I'm coax cable that I'm gonna attach behind the modem. Let me go ahead. This is the cable. Let me hold on. So let me go ahead, go a little higher, that I can show you exactly what I'm doing, where I'm doing. So like right there. As you see, this is the modem. There's a place that you have to attach right there, right here. You don't need the tools. This cable comes all the way from the other room. Yeah, from the wall, and here you are. It's so easy to attach here. Then after that, of course, sorry, let me turn it this way. Okay, right there. Okay, then you bring them. This is the router. Just what you're gonna do? I'll put the router down there. All right there. So with this yellow cable, what are you gonna do? Put the behind the router right here, yellow place. Then other one is behind the yellow modem right here, right there, as you see. Now second things, all this power that you have to attach behind the, oops, sorry, this is not the one. This is the one right here. Then put the outlet here, right here. Then after that, another one modem has power. Just put it behind the router, right here. Put the outlet right here. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna wait. As you see, this is the blue light is came on. This is yellow light. It came on. We have to little bit wait. I see resetting and everything. As you see, needs the time little bit. Yeah. This should be blue. One more light, it should come on. This power, okay. This is also router, it's yellow. It should be, I think it's blue. And after that, another light, see, it came on. it should be blue online, and the other light, it should come underneath it. One more, see, it came right there. As you see, look, this is green, sorry, this is blue, this is green. Every router is different color, but it should be blue or green. So maybe another color it can be. In this case, in this router, and this modem has a blue, and this is router has a green. So we need to wait until this guy online things turns blue. See, we are waiting, but eventually it's gonna come right there. Very soon, maybe. This is okay. This light okay. The other light, we will continue to wait until turns this one green. This gonna blue. Yeah. Hopefully, almost there. But it's gonna, yeah, it's gonna take time. This simple, you know, that just put the yellow cable behind the board router and modem, and put the powers on, and coax cable that white, it goes the modem. Yeah, after that it's everything fine. A little needs the time, but after that, yeah, everything gonna be okay. Another one that I would like to explain, you have to, yeah, as you see underneath, there's a lot of information, passcode and a username. Of course, you have to put those passcode and name also when the internet it opens, and after that you have to do that too. This is the main things that you have you can connect the cables. When is this done, of course you will do another things. You will go to the computer and you have to use the username, which is written under the router, and passcode there too. So everything is gonna be all right after that. As you see, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time, but eventually everything gonna be okay. So I don't know what to say, but still it's gonna take time. Well, this should turn blue. This one green light. Yeah. All right, guys. Still, we are waiting. So I don't want to waste your time. This is the main thing. That it's, once again, this light, it should turn. This is the other one, blue. The other light also. This is rather, and turns to green. Then after that, your Wi-Fi is ready to use. But as I said, you have to put the username and passcode, which is written behind this router. So after that, it's everything fine. Alright, guys, and thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.